Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by selecting a high-resolution image so it won't blur when stretched. Open Photos or Files and locate the picture. Once done, move it into a dedicated album to keep things organized and speed up selection. Next, open Settings and tap Wallpaper, or open the photo and tap the Share button to set as wallpaper. You do this because starting with the right asset prevents redoing steps later, and moving it into an album reduces hunting when you're ready to apply. You now fine-tune how the wallpaper looks on your iPad. Tap Choose a new wallpaper and select Still, Live, or Dynamic depending on preference. Live works only on supported models. Pinch to zoom and drag to position the focal point. If motion causes misalignment, make sure to turn off perspective zoom so the image stays fixed. Once the composition looks right, tap Set and choose Lock Screen, Home Screen, or both because where you apply it determines visibility and continuity across your device. Finish by checking your home screen with apps and widgets to ensure nothing important sits under icons. If elements cover the subject, go back and reposition or choose a cleaner crop. You want clear focus where icons 1T interfere. If the wallpaper appears blurry, use a higher resolution file or disable zooming to stop automatic scaling. When changes don't take hold, restart your iPad or reapply the wallpaper. This resolves most hiccups quickly, so you can get the look you intended.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.